Helo, neu fel rwy'n ni'n dweud yng Nghymru. This isn't the first time we've examined this in these videos, but let's revisit when translation loses nuance. Even translations which correctly convey meaning can sometimes end up with strange, unintended attitudes tacked on. I've got more of that kind of stuff today. For me, there isn't really a satisfactory Welsh translation for the title supervisor. The options available are arolygur or goruchwyliwr. The olwg in arolygur comes from the word golwg, which means gaze or look. Now the word feels less like supervisor and more like the one who looks on. Feels a bit more like inspector, to be honest. Goruchwyliwr then is more on the supernatural side. A goruchaf is the supreme, while gwyliwr is watcher. So it does mean supervisor, but the literal translation would be the supreme watcher. Now if I was to be a supervisor, I wonder which I would choose. I am a very good watcher, but am I supreme? However, I was being very observant when I spotted this nugget. The English here is authoritative, impersonal, passive, efficient. Vehicles are parked entirely at owner's risk. This message is proper, speaks in BBC English and wears a suit and tie even whilst at home. The Welsh, not so much. Chi sy'n gyfrifol am eich cerbyd ar bob adeg yn y maes parcio yma. This message is a tired and frustrated parent simply laying down the law. It is you that is responsible for your vehicle at all times in this parking lot. And frankly, there's nothing I like more than being berated by a sign. I also feel that it should be eich gerbyd, but who am I to nitpick mutations? I'm already very busy taking full responsibility for my vehicle at all times. And while you watch this video, it is your responsibility at all times to be sorry until it stops. Videos newydd pob dydd Mercher a dydd Sadwrn. Tan ysgrifwch, and do remember to send in any wibbly-wobbly translations, Welsh or otherwise, to this email address.